Warren Buffett said, "It is good to learn from your mistakes, and it is better to learn from other people's mistakes." Today, in this video, we are going to discuss mistakes to be avoided by young people to become financially free. This is Ram Charan. Welcome to my channel, Ram Money. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe button. For frequent notification, click on bell icon. The first mistake, ignoring power of compounding. Most of the people, they ignore the time value of money when they do saving and investing. How to avoid this mistake? That is, you have to start investing early. When young people, they have to start investing as soon as they get the first paycheck. Start investing in ALSS fund to save taxes. If your fund is not performing well, start SIP in another ELSS fund. But don't stop investing. This is how you can avoid this mistake. Second mistake, ignoring power of youth. Most of the people, they resist moving from one place to another to get a good job opportunity when they are young. If you get an opportunity to work in countries like US, UK and Dubai, where you can save more, you don't ignore these opportunities. By earning more, you can save more and invest more. I have seen people want job near their hometown, near to their home. Don't be geographically immobile. When you get an opportunity to earn more, don't avoid this opportunity. The third mistake, I minus E equal to S. Most of the young people, they follow this formula. This is, when they get the salary, when they get the income, they spend the money, and whatever remaining, they do the saving. That is wrong. You have to follow I minus S equal to E. That is, as soon as you get the salary, you have to save the money. Whatever left should be used for expenses. The saving was working in early 1950s and 60s. But nowadays, the youngsters, as soon as they get the income, they have to invest the money. Whatever is left, they have to do the expenses. So the formula to be followed is I minus I equal to E. That is, income, third mistake, minus investing is equal to expenses. As soon as you get the salary, try to invest the money. Whatever is left, you can do expenses. The fourth mistake, what young people make is, they think trading is investing. So most of the youngsters, they do trading. They buy and sell the shares. They buy the share in the morning, they sell the share in the evening. This is not investing. By doing trading, you are making money for the brokers. And the fifth mistake is being too conservative with money. In order to avoid losing money in equity, most of the people, they invest only in bonds, PPF, FDs and National Savings Certificate. So they completely ignore the risk of inflation when they invest in these kind of conservative investments. The Fifth mistake what most of the people they make is being too aggressive with the money without understanding the business. They invest money in stocks without, and they don't know about portfolio construction, they don't understand the balance sheet, and they don't know the company debt position. So without understanding all these parameters, I have seen youngsters investing directly in stocks thinking that equity will give good returns in long term. So this should be avoided. And the last mistake what most of the youngsters make is wrong asset allocation. Too much money they keep in debt instruments like PPF, EPF, FDs for long term, and they keep equity mutual fund stocks they invest in short term. That is completely wrong. For long term invest in equities, for short term emergency purpose you can keep the money in FDs. So that is how you have to do the right asset allocation. All over the world, mistakes made by young people are the same. We are all guilty of committing the same mistakes. I hope you won't commit these mistakes. Thank you for watching the video. Please share and like the video. Thank you.